Dear viewers, I am going to do an activity that you can use to teach vocabulary and target language. I already have introduced some vocabularies. Now I am going to do practice. This practice will be done by a game which is called spinner game. Now I am going to tell you how to make the spinner game board. First of all, you need a rectangular hardboard, and then you need a circular board. After that, you will stick circular hardboard to the rectangular board, and then if you want to teach food item vocabulary, you need to stick some food item on the circular board, and you have also made a pointer to indicate the specific food item when you spin a pointer. You need a pointer on the rectangular hardboard. Now we are ready to play this game. Now I am going to show how to play the game. At first, as we have large classes, we need to divide the class into two groups. One is A and one is B. After making the group, teacher will ask them who is going to do the first activity. After selecting that, the game will be run. At first, for playing the game, the teacher will spin the circular board, and then teacher will ask questions by showing the pictures which part of it is along the pointer. Now the pointer indicates what is this. Then one of the member of group A will answer, it's fried egg. Then he will get point 3. Now I will write the point of him. Again the teacher spin the board and ask to the group B, and one member will give the answer. What is this? He will say, this is sandwich. This is sandwich. If he gives correct answer, he will get point 7. Again the teacher spin the board and ask to one of the member of group A, and by showing the picture, the teacher will ask spell hot dog. The member of group A will give the answer and he will get point 2. Again, the teacher spin the board, and one of the member of group B will tell, what is this? He will give answer, this is strawberry. This is strawberry, and now he will get point 5. Thus the game will run. After finishing the game, the teacher will count the number, gets number 5, and group B get point 12. Thus the teacher will find out which group is the winner of this vocabulary game. This is the technique of doing spinner game. I think it will be the very enjoyable game for the students of Bangladeshi primary school, and which I have learned from TMT. Thank you all.